Alright, the swipe tool. I don't know what was the reason, but I think maybe I forgot to click on it, but I did earlier, so alright, this is left and right. This is the swipe tool. Usually I would like to do just turn on and off, but if you just want to observe some counties, swipe tool is good. Alright, and we're going to move on to density map. Okay, I'll just save it. Density map divide population and other variables by their polygon areas, yielding a measure of spatial concentration. So if we divide a population by its polygon areas, the resulting population density, for example, persons per square mile, can provide information related to congestion or how people are distributed across an area. A neighborhood with a high density of households receiving food stamps but a low density of food banks and soup kitchens may help determine potential locations for new food banks or kitchens. So now we're going to do is that the map opens here with the neighborhoods that added but not yet classified. So we will do a full extent view first, and then we will create a density map. So for density map, we will do the food bank and kitchens. So right click on it, go to symbology. Of course, we will do graduated colors. And for the graduated colors, we will do is field, it will be food, facility, and for normalization, it will be area underscore square miles. And method will be manual interval. And classes 5, color scheme blue, purple, 5 classes. Show name. Blue, purple, 5 classes. And then breakpoints, it will be 2. Oh, no. 2. And then 4. And we will have 8. And we will have a 16. And then 29. There. So now we're going to close the symbology pane there. And then we will really see where there are high density of food banks and soup kitchens. Right here. And now we're going to do is create a density map for persons below poverty level receiving food stamps, square miles, using poverty food normalized by area square. Just go back to view and contents, and I'm gonna right click on the symbology and graduated symbols. This one will be poverty food. And normalized, it will be area square miles. And the method, it will be method, manual interval. And minimize is 4, and then maximize is 12. And then zoom to the pan and circle value we will have. How many classification do we have? Oh, 4 classes. Oh. Go back to quantile. Let's change the classes into 4 and then manual. That's weird. When I choose manual, I cannot choose this, but everything is fine. So now the first one, we will do 300. The second one, it will be 900. And then I will have 2700. And then I will have 13000. Perfect. And then the color, circle 3, and double click and click again, and property, solar yellow, click apply, go back, done. Okay, that's what we want. So here was the question: do you see any maps with high population density with a low which means you have to have a big those color, but we do not see small circles like these. So yep, this one is relative small, but you see when those big, the poverty food thing is big too. So that's the pattern. I'm gonna save as, click yes, and we will move on. So the last one is group layers and layer packages. We can place layers together into groups to manage them more easily. So for example, we can change the oopsies, close it out. We can change the visibility of an entire group layers with one click, and we can also save a group layer or any single layer as a layer packages. A layer package, a file with an LPKX extension. A layer package is one file with all the data sources and a symbology included. We can share this package with others, including in ArcGIS Online. So now we're going to create group layers for population and facilities in New York City by administrative and political features, including 5 companies and police precincts. We will then create layer packages from layer groups. And we open this, and now we 2.8. So, and the map opens with the layers of boroughs, police stations, police precinct, population per square mile, firehouses, and fire company population per square mile already symbolized here. And now we're going to create a police group layer. And there are 2 ways to create group layers. The first way is to create an empty group layer and then add layers to the group layer. The second way is to select existing layers in the contents pane and create a group layer of the selection. We will use the first method to create group layer for police. And in the contents, we're going to right click on contents, and we're going to right click on police, the map of New York facilities and population, new group layer, okay, new group layer. So I created a new group layer, so then we will rename it. So now there are 2 ways to do it. I can just click that, but name, alright, name, I will call it New York City Police. That on the meta tab, we're going to fill the information, the title, metadata. Alright, it's huge. Okay. So the title will be NYC Police. Tags, I will say NYC. Police stations, precincts, population, summary, NYC police stations, and precinct populations. And I will say credits, same. Description, same as summary, credits, I would say, thank you. No, Esri, they provide the book, right? Esri. Everybody can use it. I don't have any restriction. And then we're gonna click OK, and then we will drag the layer. So now we have a group, and we will drag the layer to that group. So the first one, we're going to drag the layer boroughs down here, and now there. So it's under here. You can see this is subset for borough, So we did it, and we expand the layer, and we drag the police station and police precinct population by square below the boroughs. So police station, and then police under here. This is NYC police. Now I have everything, but my order, it's fine, unless we want to specify. And the only thing is we want the this on top, because we cannot see anything. So, and we're going to create fire group layer. So now we will use the shortcut to create a group layer using select layers. In the content pane, press hold and shift key and select layer for firehouses and fire company population per square mile, and right click either and click group, either layer or group. So fire and firehouses, right click on it, and I can just click group. There, so it says new group layer. So now we will rename this NYC file. NYC fire. Click OK. And let's see if, oh yeah, we do have to put some information. So right click on this again, property. Oh, and actually we could do more, is right click on here. We can do, no. It doesn't view metadata. Okay. Alright, so I don't want this anymore. Right click on it, and then property and metadata. That's weird. Why it's on read? Added metadata because it's read only. Let's see. That is so weird. Okay. Property. Now we have to change things. Why this layer is only read only? We already did this. Let's ungroup it again. Alright, so now let's just group again. Alright, and right click on it, property. And it is still grayed out. So NYC fire. It should something is wrong here. View metadata. Let's see what is the issue here. Preview. Can I add it on it? Okay, we will have to figure it out. List by edit. I don't need to do the editing here. Okay. Property. If not, we're going to search what's going on here. Okay, I'm going to search for how to edit layers properties in ArcGIS Pro if it is read only. Okay, set layer property. Editing. So let's look. Select layer. Right now it's only read only. So let's see. Two places. Update when editing. Elevation. Set layer property. It should view and edit the metadata.